Hello guys, welcome back to Tvs Tree Technologies. So in the previous session we have seen how to install Putty software to work with Linux. But in order to work with Putty software you will be having the Linux server. So this Linux server you can't get it free. You should purchase it. So in case if you are working in any of the organizations, right, your company will provide you the Linux server. So once you have the Linux server, in order to connect to that Linux server, so during those scenarios you can use the Putty software. But if you want to do any practice, you can't connect to the Putty software without having the Linux server. So I am going to show you one of the free version of web where you can practice all the basic Linux commands. Go to Chrome, search for webminal.org. So this page will open. First you have to register your account in order to connect to this Webminal. Okay, so click on register, give the username and give the email address. So once the email address given, set the password for this. It should be alphanumeric and click on this checkbox and click on register. Okay, it is saying an email has been sent to this email ID with a confirmation link. Check your inbox or spam box. So a link will be sent to your given email ID. Check your mailbox and click on the verification link so that you can able to connect to this free version of Linux. So I have clicked on that verification link from my email. So go to login. Now you can give that username password which you created right now. So click on login. So now you have been logged in to this free version of Webminal. So in order to connect to the terminal, click on the terminal. So it will ask you to give the username and password. So I'll give the same username and password which I have created right now. Okay, now you have been connected to the Linux server which is free version. Okay, so as I said right now, in order to practice any of the Linux commands, you can go with this free version of the web. So if you have any Linux server, you can use the Putty software in order to connect to the Linux server in order to work with the Linux commands. In the next session, I am going to explain all the basic Linux commands which are needed in our day-to-day work. Okay, so please subscribe our channel so that you will be not missing our upcoming videos. Thank you.